Top of the morning, come along with me for part of my day. I couldn't be bothered with my hair today, so I decided to just throw on my barber wig before work. Finally made it to work, and as usual, it was a fun day. It's a beautiful day in Kingston City, and I made it to the orthodontist for my appointment. Today, I'm continuing my treatment, and I'm getting braces on my bottom row, and I decided to go with the color blue. Got in the chair and got ready where she prepped my teeth for the braces. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think wearing a wig to this appointment was the best idea because when I laid on the wig looked like it did a drop off on my head. When I was finished, I really liked the blue color, so I decided to get everybody together for a TikTok.
Making a party, chocolate Barbie waiting on me for your.
Since I was in the area, I stopped by Fontana Waterloo to make sure they had Jolifairehair Hairgrowth oil in stock, and I was happy that they did. Hopped over to Starbucks to get a Frappuccino, and I ran into some Chiney supporters. They were really happy to see me, so I told them to get whatever they wanted on the menu. All our fraps looked so good, we had to do a video for our Instagram stories. A little later on, I decided to head to the gym for a quick workout. My head did I got too hot if I did wear the wig go to the gym, but 'tis the season, so I decided to wear my Santa headband instead. You know, I'm a fit, but I'm not really fit, so I have to go to the gym for workout and thing. Then there was an emergency and I had to go check Wiggles. Daddy had told me a long seed stray puss tried to sex off Wiggles and she didn't want it, so I bite her upon her ears. I don't think long seed understand Wiggles is a changed woman and she not in them something there no more. I ain't gonna lie, I felt some type of way my baby was hurt. We got a closed basket and my sugar daddy drove us to the vet. Wiggles didn't want to stay in the basket. She was really curious, so she rode in my lap the whole ride. Then she wanted to go under the seat and all I could think about is, geez, look how Wiggles I ear up my brand new car. Finally made it to the vet and the first thing they did was weigh her. Then they took her temperature and I ain't gonna lie, I ain't like this for Wiggles' butthole, but it seemed like she couldn't even butter, so she just stared right at the sun and look. Wiggles had a whole medical chart as if she was a human. They asked me what happened to her ears and I told her the long seed puss tried to have sex with her and she didn't want to do it. They proceeded to scrape off her fur around the cut so that they'll be better able to treat the area. I ain't gonna lie, I was stressing the whole time for Wiggles. I was thinking, what if Wiggles gonna move and the man slice off Wiggles' ears? That was me being dramatic. Wiggles just sat there and let him do his job. They cleaned both Wiggles' ears, then proceeded to dress her wounds. She then got something for deworming, then she got a series of injections for vitamins, antibiotics, and nutrients. Wiggles was all done and it was time to go, but before I left, I got her medication and her face guard. Finally got Wiggles home. She wasted no time. She headed straight inside. Before I got home, I had to stop at the supermarket to pick up 2 little things. I'm just too busy to stand in the kitchen to peel bananas, so I decided to buy the ones that were already peeled instead. Because of my braces, I came to the supermarket to pick up more things for my shakes and also soft foods. I ain't gonna lie, 2 things will come for pick up, but then by the time I start look around, I start pick up some other things I never knew I needed. All of a sudden, the devil brought me over to the ice cream freezer, but I turned away. Never realized I got so many things, but it was only 27K and change. Finally got home after a long day, put what the things them, now it was time to relax. Okay, bye!